Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set Rednote account password. So if you created your Rednote account with your Apple account or your phone number and now you want to set your Rednote account password, then here's a video for you. This video will walk you through the steps you need to take to set a unique password for your Rednote account. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and do subscribe to our YouTube channel as this really helps us to grow. Now, to set a password on your Rednote account, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Rednote app on your phone. This could be on Android and could be on iPhone. And then make sure you sign into your account. If you have signed into your account, click on Me at the bottom right, and this will take you to your Rednote profile page. On the profile page, locate and click on the Settings G icon or click on Menu at top left, and then click on Settings. So this will take you to your Rednote settings page. On the settings page, locate and click on Account Security. Now, once you click on Account Security, you should see Password under Mobile. If you have mobile number here, that shows you've already bound your Redmi Note and your mobile number together. Now, to set your password, click on Set. Then be prompted to set new password, enter your password again. Your password must be a combination of number and English. Then go ahead and type in your Rednote account password. Now, once you type in the password, you should see the password string. The next thing is go ahead and click on Done. And now, once you click on the Done button, then this will be set as your new password on your Rednote account, and setting this might take a couple of seconds depending on the strength of your internet connection. And then you should see the Rednote application closed, and then open again. You'll be prompted to log in to experience more because you've set in a new password. Now to log in, just go ahead and click on Log in this account. Then accept terms and conditions to continue. And then after that, you then need to type in your password, and then you'll be able to log into your Rednote account. So that is basically how to set password for Rednote account. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.